Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. Your Kubernetes cluster might look perfectly fine, but pod won't talk to each other unless you fix 3 kernel settings first. Most of the people skip this setting and spend hours and hours debugging CNI issue. Let's get started before it breaks. And yes, there is a mock question also on this thing. We have prepared a mock question so that you can do these things and make your CNI workable. So what the question says, make the system ready for CNI plugin installation by constructing the following systemctl parameters. Okay, these are the parameters, and make sure that this Linux kernel can forward traffic between the pods and apply iptable rule bridge traffic using CNI plugin. These are must-have settings before installing CNI like Calico, Funnel, and Cilium. So let's get started. BR net filters and overlay filters. BR net filters. What it does? This module allows you Linux kernel to pass bridge network traffic through net filter, which include iptables rule. Without this bridge traffic, bypass your firewall rules. Most CNI plugins create Linux bridges to connect their pods, and you might have seen that setting also. And what does overlay do? This module supports overlay file system, which stack one file system on the top of another. So just let's get started. So I'm opening Kubernetes.io and I run container CRI. Okay, so container runtime. So here is a container runtime, and here you will find this command. So before we need to enable that BR filters. So here in version 29, this procedure is given, but after 29 it is removed. So first you can check whether this is available in your playground is or not. If it is already enabled, I don't think there is a need, but I always start to set. So just copy this command and paste it here in killer. I'm sure it is not mentioned anywhere in YouTube. So just copy and paste. So this is enabled. Now just copy this and paste it here, because here also same thing is asked. Only if it is not matching with your, so create a file and paste it, and here you edit this configuration, just cat. So just something gone wrong, but don't worry, you will not face this issue. Why it is not? Sorry guys, some issues with this. I'll just use backspace, wql and cat. So I want to apply this setting, copy paste. So this is already applied, but apply systemctl parameters without reboot. So it will apply without rebooting the system. So just paste it and you will see your things are set. So if you are not able to remember this command, you will find it in version and to 1.29, and if you won't find it here, so in 32 also or in 33, this is the same. Instead you need to use that module slot.knf here system d. Okay, so if you won't find this thing, you can just use the same command, same thing. Instead of system d, module slot.d, you can use it. Okay, but you are finding, then I don't think any more use of this command, because if it is required, then it should be there in version 3.3 also, and above version 1.29, because after 1.29 I am not seeing anywhere this. So might be if it is present, it is not required, but I feel and I do this thing, so advise you also do. Next bonus thing is that since Docker is no longer supported natively, you must install and configure CRI dockerd to bridge compatibility. So in next question, we'll install a Debian package and see how to install that Debian package. Starting with the Kubernetes 1.24, the Docker runtime is no longer supported natively. Kubernetes now talks only runtime that support container runtime interface like CRI-O, etc. So what is Dockerd? So it acts as a bridge between Kubernetes and Docker. It exposes CRI compatibility socket that Kubernetes can use. So without the installation of Debian package, mentioned Debian package, Kubernetes cannot use Docker as a container runtime anymore. So in next video, we'll look how to install Debian package. Thank you so much for your love and support once again.